Meet the all-new SD1-X, a whole new level towards revolutionary dispensing productivity. With a 48% smaller in footprint, it surely saves more space, giving you more room for more work. With linear motors built onto a granite structure, it swiftly tracks details of every movement. Linear encoder and vision sensor ensures XY positions are always precise. Height sensors enable Z-axis measurements and fluid compensation, and our air wipers remove unwanted residue. With our onboard camera, see everything in real time. Liftable conveyor with quick conversion platform. Our dual gantry system can handle 2 processes at the same time, designed for high-mix, high-volume manufacturing. With SMEMA integration, it communicates seamlessly with other systems. Your machine runs like clockwork with our intelligent conveyor system. It's all automated for your convenience. Easy pumps conversion. Switching between pumps is easy peasy. It only takes a few minutes to do it. Just plug out air to release. Unplug all connecting cables. Interchange with the next pump. All you need is our plug-and-play system. Say goodbye to messy handling and unwanted complications. After, just snap in the desired valve. Lock it in, and you're ready to roll again. Intelligent conveyor system. You'll love our smart conveyor system because you can customize it to cater to your specific need. With the touch of a hand, all your MEMS and other products will be locked in. It is tightly securely through the enhanced vacuum holder. Just say no to risky vibrations and bumps. Be assured and never compromise your output quality anymore. On top of that, our customized enclosed loader/unloader allows you to seamlessly load multiple magazines with ease at one go. Similar patterns dispensing. You can dispense identical patterns at the same time with SD1. Our simultaneous mode comes with exceptional zero clogging technology to give you unbelievably smooth, reliable flow without the headaches of jammed pumps, blocked valves, and any sticky situations where materials that get stuck during the dispensing process. Different patterns dispensing. Your dream of doubling up your throughputs can now come true thanks to our independent mode. Material stabilizers ensure constant smooth flow and set your gantries to work on different tasks and materials to maximize your productivity. Be it jetting or contact dispensing, your wish is yours to command. You can even set it to verify and check on quality before output. Beside dispensing solutions, experience unmatched customization for your dispensing needs. Introducing NSW post-dispensing UV curing station, seamlessly integrated with SD1-X for precise UV adhesive curing. Additionally, our optional AOI module offers real-time dispensing defect detection and quality verification, leveraging state-of-the-art inspection technology to ensure impeccable product quality. Introducing the SD1-X. Say hello to tomorrow.